This is how I get the ladies.
Yo, it's Chester! Chester! Yo, it's Chester! What do you mean you got snacks?
Japanese snacks.
Holy shit, park over there by the door up on the grass. Let's try them out. Chester, you knocked the doors off my garage. Chester, what kind of snacks you got there?
Snacks.
They look illegal from China.
I don't know.
Let's try them out. Oh my God. This truck's still mint. What is all that?
You don't need to know.
Yeah.
Whoa, Chester's dumping them out. Dump them out, Chester.
Dump 'em out. Dump 'em out, it says. Dump 'em out.
How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna try these things? We can't, with the feds show up, we're gonna all go to prison.
Dump 'em. Doesn't that not say dump 'em out?
Why does that feel fake? I don't think these are, I think these are decorations.
Okay, so
Chester, you did some weird shit again, didn't you? You've been gone for like 4 months.
which one do you want?
Were you in China? Did you take the Ranger across the ocean again?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Holy
Which one do you
shit.
want?
I don't know what you mean. Felicia, come on, give us what you want.
He
you
wants
pick what you
the
want.
pink one.
We try something.
You want the pink one?
Do I really want the pink?
He's eating the pink.
I don't know if I want the pink and my stank. I mean my bad breath.
Here, this looks like chocolate.
Why does Chester get the chocolate one and I get the pink one?
You want
Who
this one?
knows?
This one's squishy too.
What the fuck?
I'm just gonna try this one. This don't feel like it's good for my stomach. Like I have a tough stomach and all, but
It smells like chocolate, but it feels like the consistency of dog shit.
mine smells like dust. Chester, smell mine. It smells like dust. Fairy dust.
Mine smells good.
I'm scared.
Smell it.
Dude, what the
Oh my
fuck?
gosh, why do you get the good ones?
Dude, what the fuck?
Chester broke it. Ooh, you dropped a patty on the
You
floor.
want to try mine?
Wait, is there wait, mine says Chong Chong Bang Bang Oomph. Let me
I
try.
don't know how I feel about this shit. I don't know how I feel about this dog shit right now, but
I don't really taste nothing, but like my nephew like spit in my mouth after he eat like oatmeal.
This actually tastes good.
I'm actually not really sad about it though.
You want
Oh,
to try
it's
it?
like cold in the middle.
You two want to try this one?
Hold on, drop one. What's your sound?
This tastes good. You want to try it?
His says meow
That's
meow
right.
young.
That's the one I ate.
This shit expired like 13 years ago.
That's the one I ate. Here, try it.
What's that? Yours? Oh my. That is delicious. Tastes like a pure German Shepherd. Half roasted on a fire.
That's the one I just ate.
I'm eating one of these cookie-looking things.
This
Well,
is
he's got a burger.
This is clearly
Hold on,
a
There's
lemon.
another burger.
Hold on, I want to show them. It's not the same though. I gotta show them. This is a Krabby Patty. It's also in a different language says oomph. Here, Chester.
Chi-ching home.
Mine's got a special orange block. It must mean like woman hormones or something. Hey, look at this black shit in there. Like what? I don't understand what's
Dude,
this.
these things must be child-proof. Oh, wait, I
I
got
don't
it.
want to pop it. I'm scared.
Smells like pussy cakes.
What's that look like to you guys? It looks like shants in your pants. Looks like 2 butt cheeks and then some pooped in it. Smell this. It has like hair on it from China.
It smells like...
Why does yours look like throw up inside of a
It looks
burger?
like pussy cakes.
Chester, where'd you get this shit from?
I don't know.
They're just like, they don't taste like nothing.
Our neighbors are so nosy.
Tacoma.
Your head's supposed to be going up and down. I'm not no professional, but you do drive a Tacoma.
It doesn't taste bad. It just doesn't taste like anything.
Look, this one's a cookie.
10 seconds ago you were speaking like a white girl. Now you got a Chester accent?
Yeah, I forgot.
I don't understand. What do you
Dude, this shit.
Don't pull it apart. It's like an ice cream cone. You gotta get surprised by what's on the inside. She's scared. I saw your hair go in your mouth. It don't go good with beer.
I don't know how fucking Japanese people get off to this shit.
The outside's a
Ooh,
wafer.
it's like a. It says special deluxe chang chao. No way, and it's got like a choker on it. Look, it's got a choker on it.
You want this? This is lemon.
I'll have the lemon cake.
This
Wait, this one's not sealed
is-
safe. There's something's gotta be in there. It's like sealed like.
is like a wafer. It has some weird gooey shit inside of it.
Limon.
It's out dusting. It's like crop dusting.
Dude, how the fuck did they keep this shit together?
Is this what Chinese people's hearts look like? Or is that a butterfly with a strap through it? Why is everything inside gotta look like black goo?
Is that it?
Smell this one. What's that smell like? I don't want to put this one in my mouth.
That one looks better than what I'm eating.
The outside tastes like an ice cream cone.
Tastes like lemon.
Why is it falling apart in my mouth?
Did you jump a bunch of Chinese people? Or did you go to China, climb the Great Wall? Ew, you spit on my toe.
Fucking trash. Let's go get some McDonald's or something. This is bullshit. Are you enjoying this? Are you enjoying this? Are you enjoying this? What are you doing? Why are you still eating it?
The outside tastes like an ice cream cone, but the inside tastes like shit.
I know, Jim. Why do you bring this to our house, Chester? You're supposed to bring something cool every time you come.
Brought the Ranger.
Yeah, but what's in the Ranger? Is this what helped you float across the ocean?
Okay,
Is this all
that's
you
my
ate?
life preserver.
What the hell?
Yeah.
I ain't eating no more of that bullshit. What's
is
that?
the only
Oh,
one.
let's eat this.
No.
Whoa, eat it. Eat it.
Do not eat.
it.
That's the
Wait,
only
does
thing.
it say in English?
That's
How
the-
can I say it in
That's
English?
the only thing that's fucking English in this bitch.
Wait. This
Eat
is,
it, Chester.
this
It's
is
good
the
for
only
you.
thing that was good. Literally.
Yeah, it's the cha chong bang bang. Chester, eat it.
No,
Eat
what's
it.
this?
Eat it. It's straight from China. Look at this. It says, don't microwave. It says you can't. It doesn't say do not eat. It says do not
Let's
microwave.
fucking microwave it.
Eat it. Eat it. Put it on your tongue. Put it
Wait,
on your
this
tongue.
is good too.
What is it? That looks like a. What does that look like? It looks like a cream puff that got burnt in the microwave.
Why can't we microwave this?
What does it taste like? Cream
I don't know,
puff?
but it's good.
Here's like a stale cream puff. Go.
Willie, she wants to suck your pain.
You can't say that on YouTube.
When the
All right, I'm gonna try this disgusting thing.
Oh, I
you
just
tried.
squirted on Josh's arm. I squirted on Chester's arm.
It's not horrible.
It's getting me all like horned up. Chester, can I take your mom into my house?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna show her some of my new moves. Like,
I'll record it.
what?
I'll record it.
No, Chester, not this time. Last time you did, it got weird. You kept like putting your foot up on her butt.
Well,
Oh,
shit.
Chester, you got a flat tire. I'm just kidding. You don't like it either, do you? You don't like it either, Felicia.
My name is not Felicia.
I don't know your actual name. This is the
It's
first time you ever popped up on her
Chesterina.
bed. Every other girl we had on our bed, we didn't know their names.
It's Chesterina.
Fuck is
Incest.
Chesterina?
It's like Christina, but
So,
Chesterina.
I'm the only one that have Chester in their name.
Incest
Who the hell am
is incest.
You're not related.
Then who the fuck am I?
He's my great grandpappy.
I'm still related.
Little chest.
Over, you fucking fat lard.
Yo, get the
Jesus,
fuck
you
out
got,
of here.
you got sneeze dust on you.
Feed
Chester,
birds.
I've never seen her before. You went to China, came back, and now you got a Chesterino in your life. Seems a little sketchy, like she's trying to steal your funds.
Oh. Ooh.
But y'all all
Just smile. Just smile. Don't stare, Chester. Just smile. Don't stare, Chester. I said don't stare.
Your head's supposed to be going up and down.
Why do
I'm
you
no
say that?
professional,
What happened
but
to you in China that you keep saying that to everybody? You just stared at you the worst way. Oh my god.
5 hours later.
Oh my god, Chester, what happened, man? What happened? You ate the rest, didn't you?
yeah,
What's wrong with you?
I wanted to be Japanese again.
What do you mean, man? You alright? Why's your face twitching? Are you gonna make it? Your eyes look like you're blind.
I am blind.
You need something? I gotta get you something.